I wanted to make this video to show you something that you can do with your key fob, just in case you didn't know it. It took me a long time to realize this. Sometimes when you go into your vehicle and you're about to unlock the door, so to get inside of it, you may hit the unlock button once, which only basically will unlock, say, your driver's side door, or sometimes say your passenger side door. But what you can do, you can hit the unlock button twice. And when you hit the unlock button twice, what'll happen is it'll actually unlock all of your doors at the same time. So, for example, if I hit it once, so over here, if I hit the unlock button once, it just unlocks that one. As you can see, the passenger side didn't unlock, only the driver's side did. So if I hit lock again, all of them lock back up. So if I was to hit the unlock button twice, what you'll hear is all the doors at the same time will unlock. I'm about to do that now. Now listen. So you basically hitting it twice like that actually allow for all of my locks inside this vehicle to unlock at the same time. Also, on some vehicles, what you can do is once you hit the unlock button on your key fob, if you hold it down for like 5 seconds, it'll actually make your windows go down. So on some of your newer vehicles, once you hit the unlock button, say you hit it twice, all the doors open up, and then hold it down for 5 seconds, a lot of times what'll happen is all your windows will go down on your vehicle. And the same thing applies for the lock button. So your unlock button, hold it for 5 seconds to make the windows go down. And when you hit your lock button, if you hold it for 5 seconds, it'll make all your windows go back up. So these are just some features that can be on your key fob that you may not know about. The first one would be if you hit your unlock button twice, it'll unlock all your doors at the same time. And the second thing would be if you were to hold your unlock button down for 5 seconds, it may cause all your windows to go down at the same time. Now, this only applies to a lot of your newer vehicles. Some of your older ones it may not work on. And also, if you have that feature, then if you hit the lock button on your key fob, it'll make, and hold it down for 5 seconds, it'll make all your windows go back up again. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you all something you could do with your key fob, just in case you didn't know that you had these features. All right, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.